Hey guys, welcome to your 34th digital design lesson. And in this lesson, we're going to talk about sequential circuits. Now, up to this point, we've been dealing mostly, or entirely actually, with something called a combinational circuit. That's the logic gates, the and, the or, the not gates. And basically, a combinational circuit just takes in some input, and it spits out some output. Remember, we use our truth tables and our K-maps and stuff to figure out what goes on inside the combinational circuit so we can take our input and get the output that we want. Now that's really cool, but you can't, you're kind of limited in what you can do. To do really complex operations like the kind that a computer can do, you need to be able to hang on to some information. You need a circuit that can, for lack of a better phrase, remember what's going on, right? So that its output can be not just based on the input, but based on sort of the context in which the circuit is operating. So we need, like I said, some mechanism to do that. And to do that, we sort of grow the combinational circuit to make it a little more advanced, and this is a thing called a sequential circuit. So basically the way it works is it includes a combinational circuit that has input and output, but we have some storage. And we'll talk about what goes in that storage in a later lesson, but there's some storage, and the output of that line from the combinational circuit is some sort of next state. And the output of the storage block, and the storage is also, you could think of it as a combinational logic block, comes back around as an input to the combinational circuit, and that's the present state, PS. So basically the sequential circuit uses the combinational circuit and the storage, and the output that you get is based on the input and the present state of the circuit, the PS. And it outputs its output to the rest of the system and what the next state should be. And sometimes that next state can be the same state as it was before. And that gets stored there. And that way this circuit can operate more sort of based on not just the input, but the context in which the system is operating, what state the system is in. So that's just the basic rundown, the basic architecture of a sequential circuit. And in the upcoming lessons, we'll talk about sort of the actual nuts and bolts of what goes on inside the storage element and how to design good, useful sequential circuits. So thanks. Hopefully that all made sense. If not, leave your questions in the comments box below, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Thank you.